Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really cute candy holder. It's one of our Stampin' Up Anonymous featured projects for the month of September. So when you place an order with me, you'll get the link to all 6 tutorials. And this project is one of our highlighted projects. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using the Granny Apple Green cardstock along with the Brights designer paper collection, which is the 6x6. And I'm using these colors because you might remember I've done a video already with these cute little Hershey Kisses. They're all in these bright, festive colors, purple, green, and then the blue. So I'm going to use the green Hershey Kisses today. But I have a couple other ideas with this candy holder. So we're going to go ahead and use the green ones with the Hershey Kisses today. But this one has the purple inside. Can you see them? Aren't they cute? And they holds 4 Hershey Kisses. So cute. All right, so we're going to use the Granny Apple Green. And this is the stamp set and the dies we're using. So the Hallows Night Magic. And we're using this Open If You Dare greeting right here. And this also comes with the matching die, the Halloween Magic die. And I went ahead and already cut out these 3 little bats. And I got that right here. I got them on my black glimmer paper. So and I've already put the mini dimensionals on the back of them. Okay, so we use that. And then for my greeting, I went ahead and cut that out with the layering circle dies. Yep, it's about, well, it's 1 3/8. And then this one is about 1 3/4 in the scallop. Okay, and I think this one I went down a size on this scallop here. And then the black glimmer paper for that too. I'm going to go ahead and put the designer paper onto the Granny Apple Green. Okay, and I'm going to line up the center points here with the larger die. And this is from the celebration labels. Let me show you those. Okay, so these are the celebration labels. And I used the second to the largest for the Granny Apple Green. And then I used the next size down for that for the designer paper. Okay, so I didn't quite use the largest one. So let's grab our trimmer. And I'm going to put the center line right here. Measures about, I guess that's about 2 5/8. So we're going to scoot it down to 3. And we're going to score. Okay, and then we're going to move this down to 2 and score. And I'm using this line right here for my edge to line that up at 2. Okay, we're going to score. Okay, so this is going to make your little holder. Let me grab my bone folder. We're going to burnish those edges really nice. So then this is my little holder. Isn't it cute? All right, now we're going to grab a hole punch. I'm going to use my Crocodile. This is retired, and I'm going to use the 1/8 handheld punch. And I'm just going to punch a hole right above that little mark here. So you can see that. Do the other side the exact same way. Okay, so we have our 2 holes right here at the ends and then our scored lines. Now we're going to add our candy. Like I said, I'm going to add the little Hershey Kisses. You'll need 4 of them. They fit perfectly inside. But you could also use your Hershey Nuggets. You could probably fit 3 of them inside of your little holder. And you're going to attach your candy with the glue dot so it holds it in place. So the 3 Hershey Nuggets fit really nice. And then I thought these are really cute. Look, these are the cowtails. I found these at my local dollar store. And they have these in all different kinds of flavors. But they have the caramel apple right now during the Halloween season. So I thought that that would be cute too. So these, plus they're in that green color. How cute is that? So these fit really nice. So I would stack them up. Maybe 2. Maybe even 3 would even fit in there. Just put a little glue dot and hold them in place on top of each other. How cute! So those are a couple ideas that you can use with these little holders. You can, of course, add the little miniature candies like the Kit Kat, the 3 Musketeers, all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to add our little Hershey Kisses. Let me grab my glue dots. Okay, so we're going to put a glue dot on the bottom of each of the Hershey Kisses. Just stick that down in there. Look how cute. And they are color coordinated to match the granny apple green. I love that. All right, now it's just a matter of decorating the front. We're going to first tie the little holder closed. So what I'm going to use for that is the ribbon here, the black glittered organdy ribbon. So let me grab my scissors. And I'm going to angle the ribbon really thin on one point. You could also use your floss threader. Those work really nice. So I'm just going to feed that through the two punched out circles there. Okay. We're going to bring that up, and then we're going to tie that shut with some of the Playful Pets trim in the combo pack. This is the black and white. So I'm just going to tie a bow around that glittered ribbon just to bring that together and hold that shut. Just tie a bow. So cute. And we're going to trim the tails a little bit. Okay, so there's the closure. Then we're going to decorate it with the Open If You Dare. We're going to put some adhesive on this section. I'm going to stick this to the black glittered paper, and I went ahead and already put some black dimensionals on the black glitter paper, and then also the mini black dimensionals on the back of the glittered bats. So it's going to put this on the front. Right about there. This looks cute. I'm just going to put our bats onto the front. Now the little bat, I cut a mini dimensional in half. Can you see how little that is? But it does work. I'm just going to put one over here. Isn't that adorable? And then you can see the little Hershey Kisses inside. I love it. All right, so let me show you the purple one again. Okay, so here's the gorgeous Grape. Oh, I did add the little iridescent pearls. Let me put some of those on there. Let me grab them. And what's nice with these is you got the blue, the green, the purple, the pink. These are so beautiful. So I'm going to try to grab the green ones for my Granny Apple green one, because I grabbed the purple ones for my gorgeous Grape. Just to add a little bit of a bling to the little gift, more so than the glittered. So there's the little iridescent pearls on there, and you can do the back side like I did on the gorgeous Grape one right here. Put them on the back side, and you can put even more bats on there. So cute. I love it. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.